Meaning of falter.
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 Falter. Falter means to hesitate or waver in action or purpose. It can also refer to losing strength or momentum while in motion. When someone falters, they experience a lack of confidence and doubt in their abilities, causing them to lose their momentum and potentially fail in their task. This can occur in various situations, such as in sports or public speaking. It is important to overcome faltering through practice, preparation, and confidence-building exercises in order to achieve success in one's endeavors.